Welcome to this guided meditation session. Today we will use mindfulness and visualization techniques to help us break bad habits and create new and healthy ones instead. Let us begin by finding a comfortable sitting posture. Using a chair is perfectly fine. Find some length in your spine. Soften your neck and your jaw. And allow your breath to flow freely. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention inwardly, connecting with your body and the flow of your breath. We will take a few deep breaths now. Breathe in through your nose, feeling vital and alert. Breathe out, also through your nose, letting go of any mental chatter. And again, breathe in, filling up your lungs with fresh air. And breathe out, feeling any tensions in your body melting away. Good. Now bring to your mind any habit, conditioning, or thought pattern that you want to let go of. Visualize it in whatever way it comes to your mind, and see how your body reacts to this image. Maybe there is a change in the movement of your breath, or maybe your body starts feeling a bit restless. See if you can stay present and aware with the image, and notice any reaction or emotion that comes up. Use your breath to anchor yourself in the present moment. And do not let your mind get carried away. What would happen if you do not stop this unwanted habit? Visualize all the negative effects that this behavior has on you and the people around you, while staying connected with your breath. Now, let us bring to your mind a new healthy habit that you would like to cultivate. It can be to exercise more, or to meditate, or read, or anything that you have been wanting to do consistently. What would be the first step to take? If your goal is to exercise, how about simply walking a bit more? Visualize yourself taking those first steps, whatever they look like. The key to build a new habit is to be realistic and start at a level that is comfortable. In this way, you can build a consistent habit that can be sustained over time. So now, let us jump to the future and visualize all the positive ways and all the potential that this new habit can bring into your life. How would your life look in a few months if you would consistently build up this habit? How about a year from now? What would be the benefits? How would that feel? How would you look like, or how would that impact your life and relationships? Visualize that future where your best self shows up consistently, and imagine what can be achieved. You have the willpower to do anything you set your mind on. You have an infinite source of self-discipline within. Any goal is at reach. Your mind is clear and focused. You are set for success. Let these words resonate from within you. And when you feel ready, take a few deep breaths. Come back to your body, making slow movements with your fingers, your shoulders, your neck, and gently open your eyes.